Grub Project, Gravity Assisted Pulse Motor Update. We've attached the F&P three-phased alternator. It was relatively, straightforward installation. So, we're going to test this one first out of the 3 PMAs that we have to test. And so right now, let's see, AC voltage output between two legs is depends how fast you oscillate it. But once we get the pendulums going and the second balance beam, operational, we'll have more or less a constant RPM, and so somewhere between 70 and 50 volts AC, and that'll be three-phase power. Then we'll use the the pulse width modulator circuit to reduce the back EMF braking at the PMA. So we did some experiments with different weights on the pulse motor arm, and just putting one of these bolt configurations on each side, or bolt nut washer configurations on each side, it greatly increased. Well, we took off one cement block and added a 10-pounder, so what's that, 85 pounds on the other end. And what happened was it would create an enormous or a very large deflection, but it wouldn't recover. And as the balance beam travels in an upward direction, it limits the rotation of the weight. So they're both going up at the same time. So this basically stops spinning, and it created a stall condition, and we ended up burning up more fat. So more to come in the future. We're making corrections, and still waiting for the Hall effect sensors, and at that time we'll proceed with the pendulums and see if we can get that functioning. The other thing is, if worst comes to worst, we'll just reinstall it's inside the windshield wiper motor, and we'll do the one-way bearing configurations, and basically we proved that configuration works 2 years ago. So, but at that time we didn't have the pulse width, other knowledge of using the pulse width modulator circuit, and MPPT circuits were very expensive at that time and beyond my budget. So we'll be able to proceed with testing as soon as we complete fabrication and the parts arrive. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the day. Cheers. So that's 80-pound, approximately an 80-pound, 85-pound, 75 plus 10, 85-pound drop produces this sort of result, and you can see the amount of deflection. Anyway, so you get an idea of what sort of operation we'll expect once we get the device operational. Thanks for watching. Cheers.